folks, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel The Motorcycle Guy. And today's vlog gonna be very interesting, so watch till the end. Actually today's vlog is all about my tank bag, Road Gods Zeon R1 non-magnetic tank bag. So without wasting any time, let's start. So friends, this is my Road God tank bag, and let me tell you one thing, this tank bag is 100% designed and made in India. So let me first install it on my bike, and after that I will tell more about this bag. So friends, before installing the tank bag on my motorcycle, I just wanted to show you something. These are the two straps. These are basically provided by Road Gods. Actually this helps the tank bag to attached with the tank. So I will show you everything, but before that I just want to show you another thing, that please use a microfiber cloth because it will protect your tank from scratches. So now I am done with the installation of my tank bag, as you can see. So the Road God tank bags come with capsule rain cover, and along with that it also protects the bag from rain and dust, and there is a logo imprinted and which is reflective and visible during night time. So now friends, let me talk about the storage. It comes with the quick access pocket on each side of the tank bag, where you can keep your sunglasses, wallets, documents and keys. So friends, let me show you. This is the most useful thing. This is the navigation and map pocket, which help us to access our mobile phones without any hassle. You can access your mobile phone directly from outside, and along with that we get 11 to 15 liters of main storage. This is not a big tank bag, this is a medium sized tank bag, and in addition to that we get such small chambers in the main cabin where you can keep your gadgets, accessories and all. This YKK zippers of Road Gods does their work pretty well, and trust me, this bag is very durable. And another most noticeable thing is this reflective lining and this reflective crown logo imprinted on both the side of the tank bag. As you can see, this is not only a logo, this is reflective and visible during night. So friends, we also get these back straps which we can use as a backpack or a sling bag according to our need. So overall, this Road Gods non-magnetic Zeon R1 tank bag is very durable, and trust me guys, this bag is very safe, very reliable, and at the same time this bag is very durable. I am using this tank bag for almost around 3 years, and as you can see, the bag is still now in a perfect condition. So friends, how do you feel about this medium size Road God tank bag? Please let me know, and if you like this video then please do subscribe my YouTube channel.